Heyo everyone, Zyphine here. Today we're knocking out 3 fruity cocktails with only 3 ingredients each. Before getting into the video, I'd like to give a huge shout out to Brunch for editing this video. I have a lot of personal stuff going on at the moment and I couldn't handle editing, so thank him so much for editing this video. And also a huge thank you to you for listening to me say editing and video like 12 times during that. Anyway, let's start this. It's quick, easy, and guaranteed to make you look like a pro bartender, or at least less of a disaster at parties. For the first drink, we got Tropical Blue, aka the Vacation in a Glass. Ingredients are Malibu coconut rum, pineapple juice, and blue Curacao. Please keep in mind that all these cocktails are very small and use only 3 ingredients, so I'll be using a whiskey glass for all of them. You can easily increase all of these and add it to a hurricane glass with a nice garnish if you'd like it, but for simplicity of this video, I'm going to be using a whiskey glass for all of them once again. Jumping back into it, we got 1.5 ounces of Malibu, followed by 3 ounces of pineapple juice, and then a splash of blue Curacao. I keep breaking out of this video, I'm sorry, but it just dawned on me that I have to make and record each of these first so I can go ahead and give an honest review on them. So if I start to sound sloshed halfway through this video, you know why. Also keep in mind these drinks are very, very light, so if you want to add more of a kick to it, I'd recommend adding an ounce of white rum or spice rum to each of them to spice it up. Anyway, finally back to the video, hopefully. Okay, so all we gotta do after that is stir it up and then taste test it. I will have to say, this was really, really good to drink and a really simple version of the Blue Hawaii. I mean, obviously, because everything here is a 3-ingredient cocktail. I will say, though, with a splash of Jamaican rum, I think this drink would be a great drink for any tropical-themed event. And moving on to drink number 2, we got the Citrus Smash. The ingredients for this are triple sec, cranberry juice, and club soda. Let's start by adding ice to the whiskey glass. I'm adding nugget ice to mine because it's the best, and it's also what I have in the bar. After that, all you have to do is add 1.5 ounces of triple sec, 3 ounces of cranberry juice, and then top it off with club soda. It's bright, it's crisp, and it's ridiculously easy to make. This is definitely a twist on the vodka crayons with a little more interesting take on it. I will say, spoiler, after trying all of these drinks, the Citrus Smash is by far my favorite out of all 3 of them that I made this video. So I would highly recommend this one. It's a very good spritz, in my opinion. And jumping into number 3, we got the Berry Blast. The ingredients for this are UV Blue, or blueberry vodka, or honestly any type of blue drink. I think a Hypnotic would be really good with it. Lemonade, as well as grenadine. So what you're gonna need to do is add 1.5 ounces of UV Blue and or anything else you want to substitute with it, 3 ounces of lemonade, and then a dash of grenadine. It starts blue, it ends red. Basically the mood swing of cocktails. It's sweet, tangy, and guaranteed to taste like liquid candy. I will say this is my least favorite of the 3, mainly because I personally don't like UV Blue. If you do like it, then I think you'd really enjoy the drink. However, I personally think if you substitute it with Hypnotic, it would be a lot better. And that's it. There's 3 fruity cocktails with 3 ingredients each. 0 excuses not to try them since it's so easy to do. Which one's getting you tipsy first? Let me know and maybe I'll do another round of these. And thank you so much for watching the video. If you don't mind commenting, liking, doing everything else YouTube tells you to do, I honestly forgot about. And as always, I hope you have a great rest of your day.